Good afternoon. Right, following on from my DIY dewalt battery project, and I haven't got all the cells yet. I've been working out how the cells are arranged, etc. And one of the things that's become apparent is I'm going to have to spot weld the battery terminals to the batteries. Now, I have never spot welded before, ever. And because it's probably not something I'm going to do a lot of, I didn't want to spend a great deal of money on a spot welder. So I watched another YouTuber's channel, I think his name is Great Scott, and he bought one of these. And this is an eBay Aliexpress spot welder. It's one of the cheaper ones. In fact, including the shipping to United Kingdom, I think this has cost me about £30, which I don't really mind. I don't think it's excessive. I haven't had it in pieces yet, but basically it comes with a 5-volt USB to a 2.1 or possibly a 2.3 jack plug. The instructions are very, very basic. Long press the switch for 2 seconds to turn on or off. Short press to switch gears, 1 to 6 gears optional. And I think that gears refers to power level. So there's only one power. There's 2 power levels for me, 0 and maximum. So needless to say, it'll be on maximum. In power on state, the green LED flashes several times to indicate several gears. We'll look at that shortly. And the green light flashes when charging, always on when it is full. So I charged this up last night. So as I said, this is a bit of a first for me. And here is the dewalt battery pack, or the sort of DIY dewalt battery pack that I was showing you yesterday in my other videos. I've made a few other little discoveries about this. One of which is it is much easier to connect this little part to the black piece. I'm not going to do it because the batteries are in place, than it is to try and wrestle it into the yellow. There are actually 2 cutouts on it. The more I look at these, the more impressed I am with them. So anyhow, right, look. I've been working out how the batteries are arranged because it absolutely broke my brain because I can't find a diagram and I don't want to strip one of my cells down, but I've managed to work it out. And it's in sort of like a series parallel combination. So you've got banks of batteries and it's basically in series, positive to negative, but they've doubled up on the cells. So you've got 2 cells in parallel and then they're also in series. So that's where you're getting the voltage from, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. This is an 18 volt pack, but 3.7, 7.4, 14, 16, 17, 18. And then the doubling up on the current. So it just took a bit of working out. And what we're using are these. Now, these are the ones that have come with the dewalt replacement battery DIY kit. These batteries are quite good ones. These are Samsung 3 amp cells. They are the Samsung 30Qs. So they are a genuinely good quality cell. And these have been in a power bank and I bet they've not been charged and discharged 50 times. So I thought I would share with you my first ever attempt at spot welding with this. Now, one of the things I have discovered is it's that the leads aren't very long. So I've just stuck some blue tack. Sorry, there we go. Stuck some blue tack on the bottom. So it just, there we go. It just holds it in place. and this is the first tab. So I approach this with genuine trepidation, not really knowing what to expect. So can we see the, yeah, so let's turn this on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it does actually look like it's set on maximum power. So without further ado, and do wish me luck here, let's just see whether I can just zoom in a little bit for you. I trust that's in focus. So I think we'll start on this terminal here. Let's hope I've got this right, otherwise I'm about to look a right fool. We'll just line it all up neatly. Can you see that? Yeah. So just trying to keep it, get it straight, and I am struggling. I was wondering if there was a way to stick these down, and obviously with me not having the other cell. Okay, let's try again. So straight on, and oh wow. So I put it on, the machine beeped, and then it did the weld. So we'll try that again. You see that? Yeah. So here we go. Wow, that's so easy. Oh, that's incredible. Let's try again. And again. And again. Oh, this is fun. I could do this all day. I think we could probably say, okay, let's have a, yeah, so at least 2 welds. I think I'll, just to be my usual anal self. Okay, so let's have a look. That was ridiculously easy, and that is securely affixed. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you my, just turn this off, and it's gone off. I give you my first ever spot welding attempt. Wow, that was much simpler than I thought. And I'm going to have to put the battery project on hold for a bit, just while I get the other cells. So I'm going to be doing some flipper videos shortly, but I just thought I'd share that with you. I'll put a link for the spot welding machine that I bought in the description below. And as always, I'd like to say thanks for watching, and I hope you found that entertaining and useful. I'm genuinely, absolutely astonished at that. Incredible. Right, take care.